Welcome to Top Best Picks. The Best Space Savers is probably one of the most sought-after solutions for maximizing space and functionality in small bedrooms, and today, we're diving into the top picks that will transform your cramped quarters into a haven of organization and style. We'll explore innovative designs, practical features, and user experiences to help you choose the perfect space-saving solution that meets your unique needs and budget. Number 5. LEHOM 5-Drawer Fabric Dresser. This stylish and functional dresser is perfect for any room in your home. Its versatile design makes it ideal for bedrooms, closets, or even living rooms. It seamlessly complements other LEHOM storage solutions. Use it in your bedroom, closet, living room, wherever you need extra storage. Keep your clothes and belongings neatly organized. The spacious drawers and sturdy wood top provide plenty of room for all your essentials. It's built with a strong steel frame for lasting support. The easy-to-clean fabric bins add a touch of convenience. 5 removable and foldable drawers offer easy access to your items. Smooth pull handles and adjustable feet make it even more user-friendly. It's a breeze to put together with the included hardware. An assembly video is available online for step-by-step guidance. With dimensions of 39.1 L x 11.7 W x 21.7 H inches, it's the perfect size for various spaces. It's even suitable as a TV stand for smaller TVs. What we like? It's perfect for any room in your house. Its large capacity helps you organize clothes and daily necessities. If you are looking for an easy-to-assemble storage solution with a lot of space, this is the one for you. What people say. This is the perfect size of drawers to fit in a closet or just about anywhere. Very easy to assembly. The build quality is great, very sturdy and good stability. They slide with ease. This product was very easy to put together, with the most frustrating part being the Allen key it came with. However, using your own screwdriver makes it a breeze to build. It's very lightweight and did not arrive with any damage. The wood and metal part of the piece are very sturdy, so I'm assuming I'll have that far after the drawers are gone. But I will say it is very pretty, and for the time being it's fulfilling its purpose of keeping overflow, miscellaneous items tucked away neatly. Number 4. Onlyeasy Foldable Storage Bags. It fits perfectly under your bed and is ideal for storing clothes, comforters, blankets, and more. Keep your closet tidy and your bedroom organized. Made from 100% eco-friendly non-woven fabric, it allows air to circulate, keeping your items fresh. The durable, double-layered fabric protects your belongings. The clear window lets you easily see what's inside, so you can quickly find what you need. No more digging through piles of items. It features heavy-duty zippers and reinforced handles for easy carrying and access. You can move and store it effortlessly. When not in use, it folds flat to save valuable space. It's the perfect solution for maximizing storage in any room. We stand behind our product. If you're not completely satisfied, we offer a replacement or refund, your choice. What we like? Keep your items fresh and organized under the bed. Its breathable material prevents musty smells. If you need extra storage space and want to keep your belongings protected, this is a great choice. Number 3. YITAHOME 7-Drawer Dresser. This stylish and functional dresser is perfect for any room in your home. Its sturdy construction and ample storage space will help you organize your belongings with ease. It features a reliable metal frame and a durable wooden top. 7 removable and foldable drawers offer flexible storage solutions. The drawers are made from a high-quality, breathable fabric that's easy to clean. Simply wipe with a damp cloth and let air dry. With detailed instructions and an installation video, putting it together is a breeze. All the hardware you need is included. Its modern gray fabric drawers, black metal frame, and wooden top complement various home styles. It fits seamlessly into any room. 7 drawers in varying sizes provide ample space to keep your belongings neat and tidy. Maximize your storage and minimize clutter. It's 31.5 L x 11.4 W x 31.1 H. For added safety, we recommend securing it to the wall. Follow the instructions provided. What we like? Maximize your storage with its 7 drawers. The sturdy construction ensures long-lasting use. If you need a lot of storage and want something easy to put together, this is a great option. What people say. The dresser is incredibly sturdy and well-made, with a solid frame and smooth gliding drawers. The fabric covering is beautiful and soft to the touch, and it adds a lovely texture to my bedroom. The 7 drawers provide ample storage space for all my clothes, and the drawers are spacious enough to hold a lot of items. It fits into small spaces but has the ability to store many items. This dresser with cloth drawers was super easy to assemble, but still very stable once put together. Number 2. LEHOM Slim Rolling Cart. It's only 7.1 inches wide, perfect for those tight spots between appliances or in small rooms. This cart helps you maximize every inch of space in your home. Move it effortlessly with its sturdy construction and 4 durable casters. Plus, it comes with a hanging cup and 4 hooks for even more storage options. With 4 tiers, it provides ample space to organize your daily essentials. It's also adjustable to 2 or 3 shelves to fit your needs in various locations. The bottom shelf features a mesh design for better ventilation and drainage, making it ideal for wet areas like bathrooms and kitchens. Made of high-quality metal and thick plastic, it's built to last. Each shelf has high guardrails to keep items secure, and it can hold up to 35 pounds. What we like? Make the most of narrow spaces. Its slim profile fits perfectly in tight spots. If you're looking for a versatile storage solution for small areas, this is ideal for you. What people say. It fit perfectly in area by sink counter. It was taller than accepted, which works great. Easy to put together, less than 10 minutes. No tools. It has wheels, so easy to move in out of area. It even has removable hooks to place where you'd like. Spacious cart. It's made of quality materials, is lightweight but sturdy, has enough space to allow great organization, and is aesthetically appealing. The stability of this cart is excellent, even with the very narrow width. I keep cartons of soup, stock, and bone broth for quick meals and cooking handy, and they take up a lot of space in the pantry. Being able to roll this into a slot by my refrigerator keeps everything handy but hidden away. Cans of coffees and teas and bags of rice and pasta fit easily on the cart. Number 1. SONGMICS Jewelry Cabinet. It's a stunning decorative piece. Its unique round shape and floating illusion design adds sophistication to any room, cleverly concealing the jewelry organizer behind the mirror. With a wider surface than standard mirrors, it provides a broader view. You'll feel confident and prepared as you easily check every detail. This jewelry cabinet includes an interior mirror with LED lights. No more constantly opening and closing the door to check your makeup. It offers plenty of room to organize your earrings, necklaces, rings, bracelets, and even makeup tools. Say goodbye to the daily struggle of searching for your accessories. It's a stylish and functional gift. It's elegant and thoughtful for birthdays, anniversaries, or any special occasion. What we like? Add a touch of elegance to your space while keeping your jewelry organized. The LED lights make it easy to see your jewelry. If you're looking for a stylish and functional jewelry organizer, this is perfect for you. What people say. Spacious and well organized, plenty of room for earrings, necklaces, rings, and more. Great storage and so pretty when it's set up. The light on the inside is the perfect touch. It is quality piece and easy to install. It has a lot of room inside. It is so gorgeous and hangs perfectly on my bedroom door. It came with 2 keys to lock it if you have children or sisters that like to take your things. It's easy to set up and very sturdy. You can find the Amazon purchase link in the description below. Hope this video can be helpful to you. Thanks for watching.